Dear students, in this video we will discuss the next colligative property, that is depression of freezing point, which is also called as cryoscopy. And if you have seen my video on elevation and boiling point, it is very similar to that. Now let's see first what is freezing point and what is depression in freezing point. The temperature at which the liquid and solid forms of a substance exist together in equilibrium is called freezing point of that substance, at which the vapor pressure of the liquid form is equal to that of its solid form. And when you dissolve a solute in that solvent, the freezing point of the solvent gets lowered, which is called depression in freezing point. इसका मतलब freezing point एक ऐसा टेम्परेचर होता है जिसमें सॉलिड और लिक्विड फॉर्म्स एक ही सब्सटेंस के इक्विलिब्रियम में होते हैं और वेपर प्रेशर सॉलिड फॉर्म का इक्वल होता है उसके लिक्विड फॉर्म्स से. और अगर आप उसी सॉल्वेंट में एक सॉल्यूट डिसॉल्व कर देते हैं तो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑब्वियसली कम हो जाता है, लोअर हो जाता है, और उसी को हम कहते हैं डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. Again, similarly, a graph has been plotted between vapor pressure and temperature in Kelvin. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए P नॉट फिर से वही है, वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट एट फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट TF. P1 is the vapor pressure of solution 1 at temperature T1 and P2 is the vapor pressure of solution 2 at temperature T2. Now, if we consider these lines AB, AC, BD and CE as straight lines, then we can consider these triangles ABD and ACE as similar triangles. Now, if we consider this as similar, depending on the similarity behavior, BD upon CE is equal to AD upon AE. We can write like this, and then we can write it in terms of TF, T1, T2 and P naught, P1 and P2 as I have written here, and this we have done similarly as in elevation and boiling point. Now here this is expression 1 and this can be also written as like this. This is depression and freezing point for solution 1, depression and freezing point of solution 2, lowering of vapor pressure for solution P1 and P2. And this equation tells you that depression and freezing point is directly proportional to the lowering of vapor pressure. And according to the Raoult's law for very dilute solution, again similarly as we have discussed in the previous video, P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to small w upon capital W into m upon m dash, where this is weight of solute, weight of solvent, molar mass of solvent, molar mass of solute. And if you have to find the del P, that is lowering of vapor pressure, del P is equal to P naught into this expression that we have similarly derived in elevation and boiling point. Now again the same method we will assume here also. P naught m is constant, so del P will be directly proportional to small w upon capital W into m dash. And now comparing equation 3 and 4, you will get depression and freezing point is also directly proportional to this expression. And if weight of the solvent is 1 kg, then this will be the expression of the molality, and depression and freezing point is also similar to the molality of the solution. Now if we remove this proportional sign, you will get here a constant, that is molar depletion constant, that is also called as cryoscopic constant, and it is defined as depression and freezing point produced on dissolving 1 mole of a substance in 1 kg of the solvent. Units again will be same as that of elevation and boiling point. Kf is also similar to that of Kb, but यहाँ पे difference क्या है कि Tb की जगह Tf है, that is freezing point of solvent, और del H fusion है यहाँ पे, del H evaporation की जगह, that is molar enthalpy of fusion of the solvent. Rest is same. And again L instead of LV, here we will replace the expression LF, that is del H fusion upon H. इसको इसमें replace कर देंगे तो आपका new expression बन जाएगा Kf is equal to R Tf square upon 1000 LF. Now according to these derivations, what we have generalized, this is also very similar to the previous one, that is depression and freezing point, because it is directly proportional to molality of solution, is a colligative property. और अगर आप इक्विमोलर सोल्यूशन रहते हैं और डिफरेंट नॉन वॉलेटाइल सोल्यूट्स जिसमें हैं, तो उसकी डिप्रेशन एंड फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट सेम आएगा. ये एक्सप्रेशन है मोलालिटी का, इसको हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे इस इक्वेशन नंबर 6 में, एंड यू विल गेट दिस एक्सप्रेशन here. And from this expression you can calculate the molar mass of the solute. That is, equation is valid only for non-electrolytic solute, as we have done in the elevation in boiling point. Now let's solve two numericals based on cryoscopy. So here's the first numerical. The normal freezing point of nitrobenzene is given, and a 0.25 molar solution of a certain solute in nitrobenzene causes a freezing point depression of 2 degree. Calculate the value of Kf for nitrobenzene. So as you have already read, that depression freezing point is equal to molar depression constant, that is cryoscopic constant, into molality. So here, because we have to find Kf, so here expression will become del Tf, that is depression and freezing point divided by molality. In the above question, depression and freezing point has been given as 2 degree. So you will write here 2 divided by molality has been given as 0.25. So here we will write 0.25, and if you will solve it, you will get as answer as 8. So the Kf value is 8 Kelvin per molar. That is the unit of cryoscopic constant, and this is the answer. This value is just given to confuse you. It has no role here in the numerical. Let's solve one numerical more. An aqueous solution freezes at minus 1.5 degrees Celsius. Calculate the boiling point of the solution. Kf for water has been given and Kb for the water has been given. Now, according to the derivations we have read earlier, the elevation in boiling point is equal to Kb constant into molality, and depression in freezing point is equal to Kf, that is cryoscopic constant, into molality. Now if the solutions are of same molality, that is M is same for same molality solutions, we can write del Tb divided by del Tf. We will divide this equation. One equation is divided by 2. You will get del Tb divided by del F is equal to Kb divided by Kf. Now here we have to find del Tb, that is elevation in the boiling point, we have to find out. So we can write Kb upon Kf into del Tf, that is depression in freezing point. Now let's substitute the values. The value of Kb has been given in the question as 0.51. You can see here, that is 0.51 divided by Kf is also given for water, 1.86. So we will put here 1.86, and the depression in freezing point is, here a solution freezes at minus 1.5 and the freezing point of ice is 0. So 0 minus 1.5 will become plus 1.5. So here we will put 1.5. So if you will solve this, you will get 0.411 degree Celsius. So this is the elevation in the boiling point. Now you have to find the boiling point of the solution. So we will write here boiling point of solution is equal to boiling point of the water plus the elevation in the boiling point. That will give you the boiling point of solution. So water boiling point is 100 plus 0.411, that is equal to 100.411 degree Celsius. So this is the boiling point of the solution.